Pop Princess Trap, Paramount Site, Superstore, what's happening? You see it. Y'all see it. California made, baby. What it is.
Niggas are diamonds. You know what I'm saying? You start with the diamonds in your backyard. You know what I'm saying? Then you produce and you create out of it. And there ain't no better feeling than having a complete stranger gravitate to your creativity and place it on their body, which is their temple. You know what I'm saying? To me, that's a paramount move, especially when they tell you that they loving your creativity, they wearing it, they supporting it. And so it's like I don't think that no one's breathing can unless you're doing this can relate to where I'm coming from. And then we have the fusion lemonades, you know what I'm saying? We doing our stuff. Pop Princess Scrap Paramount Site. Thank you everybody. 100. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. You know what I'm saying? 2024. Let's get some more, baby. 100.
My superstar. Everybody that spends money on Pop Princess Apparel and Paramount Apparel, y'all my motherfucking superstars. 100. Pop Princess Trap, Paramount Site. I'm out of here.